Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by generative AI. Today is the 20th of September 2024, and we have some intriguing stories lined up for you. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. In a rather unusual twist, Chechen leader Ramzan Kadyrov has accused Elon Musk of remotely disabling his Tesla Cybertruck. Kadyrov claims the vehicle was a gift from Musk, although the tech mogul denies ever giving it to him. The Chechen leader, known for his close ties to Russian President Vladimir Putin, expressed his frustration on social media, calling Musk's actions not manly. He mentioned that the Cybertruck, which he had equipped with a machine gun turret, had been performing admirably on the battlefield before it became inoperable and had to be towed away. Kadyrov had planned to send the Cybertruck to Ukraine for use by Russian troops. This incident underscores the strange and sometimes tense interactions between tech industry figures and controversial political leaders. Kadyrov's government has been accused of numerous human rights abuses, adding another layer of complexity to this peculiar dispute. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these stories as fascinating as we did. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of technology, artificial intelligence, and automotive news. Until then, stay curious and informed.